Hey everybody, Clint here, and I'm back again today with another Mac tip that will change your life. The last time we did Mac tips that would change your life, it was the best performing video, so I figure you must like Mac tips. And if you missed that video, link it right there. And also down in the description, be sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of the future tips we might do. So this one comes to you from a missionary colleague of mine who claimed she didn't know anything about computers. As I was helping her fix her computer, she showed me this. Now, I had never seen it before. I didn't know you could do this. And this tip is about dictation. Now, I knew you could use Siri, but I didn't realize there was an onboard dictation feature in a more traditional sense that is actually a little more usable. So I'm going to show you how to use that, pass it down to you. So first, open up System Preferences. Then go to Keyboard. And then on Keyboard, in this middle option, where it says press the little world key, the function key, to show emojis and symbols, hit the drop down and check this out. Start dictation, pressing the little world key twice. Boom. And now, after you change that, open up any document, like this Pages document, press the little world function key twice, and then begin to talk, and it will dictate. Hi, this is my script that I'm writing with my voice, period. So cool, exclamation point. Thanks, Apple, exclamation point. And then click done. So, did it blow your mind like it did for me? Well, I hope so. And if so, if you would hit the like button, maybe even subscribe so you don't miss any of the Mac tips and other cool videos that we do. And if you have your own Mac tip that you would like to share, feel free to leave it in the comments. And I have 3 other Mac tips that will blow your mind. If you missed that video, it's right there. So check it out. And as always, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Later.